reading from the Holy Gospel according to John. The apostles said to the Lord, "Increase our faith." The Lord replied, "Were your faith the size of a mustard seed, you could say to this marble tree, 'Be uprooted and planted in the sea,' and it would obey you. Which of you, with a servant ploughing or minding sheep, would say to him when he returned from the fields, 'Come and have your meal immediately'? Would he not be more likely to say, 'Get your supper ready, make yourself tidy, and wait on me while I eat and drink? You can eat and drink yourself afterwards'? Must he be grateful to the servant for doing what he was told? So with you, when you have done all you have been told to do so. We are never the servants, we have done no more than our duty." This is the gospel of the Lord.
Nostra